ኦኬ ዲስከስ የምናደርገው አሁን ሊክ ሲክስ ሜን ታይፕስ ኦፍ ኳድሪላተራልስ የሚባሉትን መጽሐፍ ላይ ስናያቸው የነበሩትን ኳድሪላተራሎች ላይክ ፕሮፐርቲያቸውን በደንብ ዲፍሬንሺየት ለማድረግ የታሰበ ሴሽን ነኛው። ኦኬ ሶ ስኩዌር they start with square እንደሚታወቀው ላይክ ኢኳል ሌንግዝ አለው sides are equal and we have 90 degrees አይደል? the angles are also these angles are also equal እና about the diagonals they are equal in length they bisect each other ማለት the distance from here to here እና the distance from here to here equal ነው። they say if the diagonal is 24 centimeters long this distance from the center to this corner and the distance from the center to the corner is 12 centimeters ማለት ነው። so the other one is rectangle ደግሞ like this square stretched ሆኖ ብለን ማሰብ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። so this square በዚህኛው ሳይድ እንደዚህ stretched ቢሆን ምን ይሰጠናል? this rectangle ይሰጠናል። so all the angles are 90 degrees the diagonals are equal in length diagonals bisect each other ግን ከስኩዌር የሚለየው the diagonals are not perpendicular እንደምናየው እዚህ ጋር የስኩዌር diagonals are perpendicular to each other the rectangles are not the other one is they also do not bisect the angles equally የስኩዌር እንዳየ ነው the corner angles are 90 ብለናል this the bisected angle is 45 degrees 45 degrees but it's not the case for rectangles the diagonals are equal in length and they bisect each other but they are not perpendicular and they do not bisect the angle equally ማለት ነው ወይም bisect in a sense equally ማለት ነው the angle dividing the angles into two equal halves ማለት ነው so rhombus is the next one ይሄ ደግሞ like the square that has been pushed over like እዚህ ጋር ስኩዌር ኤክስቴንድ ሲያደርገው ሬክታንግል ይሰጠናል ብለናል በዚህ ሳይድ ደግሞ ፑሽ ብናደርገው like ጠመም ይላል ግን the length of the sides would be equal only these angles the measure of these angles would change አይደል ምክንያቱም like ጠመም ሲል ጠመም የሚለው like እነዚህን አንግሎች በማስተካከል ስለሆነ ማለት ነው so all sides are equal in length because it comes from square two of the angles are 90 degrees and greater than 90 degree and two of the angles are less than 90 degrees and two of the angles are greater than 90 degrees and two of the angles are less than 90 degrees and they are equal ይሄኛው ደብል ላይን የሆነው ያደረግነው ይሄኛው ደግሞ ሲንግል ላይን የሆነው is to say it is equal ይሄኛው like unhighlighted የሆነውን pdf I mean image of these papers ለመልክልሽ do not worry about it so it has two pairs of equal angles and the opposite sides are parallel say like the sides are equal lengths also these opposite sides are parallel two arrows to depict these two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel and now the diagonals are not equal in length the diagonals bisect each other and perpendicular and also they bisect the angle these angles are bisected by the diagonal equally they say if this is 110 degrees this half would be 55 degrees and this half would be 55 degrees again like square የሚለየው the diagonals are not equal in length the diagonals are not equal in length so the other picture is this one is the other picture let's open it with paint So the next is properties of parallelogram. ትናንትና when we work parallelogram ምንድን ነው ብለናል? this angle እና this angle equal ነው ብለናል። this angle, let's say this angle is x and this angle is y. this angle is z ብለን እናስብና x and z are equal ብለናል። x and y ደግሞ ተደምረው ይሰጣሉ? the supplementary angle, they are supplementary angles ብለናል። consecutive angles are supplementary ብለናል። they should add up to 180 ማለት ነው። just because they are consecutive angles of a parallelogram. እንደሚታየው these two lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel. So very similar to rhombus. Very similar to rhombus, except it is pushed over rectangle rather than a pushed over square. So rhombus ምንድን ነው ብለን ነበር ቅድም? rhombus ምንድን ነው ብለን ነበር ቅድም? rhombus is a pushed square ብለን ነበር. and that makes these sides or all four sides equal ብለን ነበረ. but parallelogram is a pushed rectangle which makes the two pair of sides are equal, not all four sides ማለት. so it has two pairs of equal angles, two pairs of equal side, and then the diagonals are not equal in length, just like the rhombus, and not perpendicular to each other. perpendicular አይደሉም equal አይደሉም ማለት ነው። the only property of the diagonals of parallelogram, they bisect each other. እችኛዋ property they bisect each other. The trapezium, nothing fancy. Trapezium is a quadrilateral that has only one pair of parallel sides. This one and this one parallel, and pair of parallel side. Pair ማለት two sides ሁለት ነገሮች ማለት ነው። so one pair of parallel side ካለን the image is ወይም the figure is ወይም the quadrilateral is trapezoid እንላለን። kite, nothing fancy about kite also. so these two angles are equal, and these two lines are equal in length, and also these two lines are equal in length, which makes it two pairs of equal sides and one pair of equal angles. and the diagonals also እዚህ ጋር አልጻፍኩትም እንጂ the diagonals also make 90 degrees. 90 degrees. and the other thing is የዚህኛውን ኢሜጅ like difference እንድናይ ብለን ነበረ። የነዚህ ኢሜጅ like they are the same thing, just የሚለያዩት ይሄኛው like ምን ብለናል? ትናንት ምን ብለናል? like እንደዚህ አይነት ትራያንግል ቢኖረን እና these two lines parallel ቢሆኑ ምን ብለናል? these two lines parallel ቢሆኑ just for the sake of understanding extend እናደርጋቸውና this internal angle will be equal to this external angle ብለናል። and this internal angle will be equal to this external angle ብለናል። ኤክስተርናል ያልነው outside of the parallel line ስለሆነ እንጂ ከትሪያንግሉ outside ስለሆነ አይደለም። እና so this image የሚናገረው so this image የሚናገረው like በዚህ ጋም alternate exterior አንግሎች እኩል ናቸው። እሺ this angle 2 እና angle 7 angle 1 እና angle 8 እዚህ ጋም እኩል ናቸው። እና what this ይሄ alternate interior አንግሎች እኩል ናቸው ይላል። angle 4 እና angle 5 እና angle 6 እና angle 3 እና like everything in this image also holds in this one as well ለማለት ነው። እና angle 1 እና angle 8 እኩል ናቸው even though the color is not same, እኩል ናቸው። እና ቅድም like ስናሳይ እዛኛው ላይ like triangle አሳይሽ እንደነበረው like ይሄኛውና ይሄኛው እኩል መሆናቸውን ለማሳየት ኢሜጅ የተጠቀሙ እንጂ like alternate exterior አንግሎቹ ኢኳል አይደሉም ለማለት አይደለም። so that's what I found. I think that's enough. እንደውም ረዘመ መሰለኝ።